Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, all know by the title of the video, today I am telling 11 things you need to know before getting a dog, and I guess these things are very important before you get a dog, because I have seen a lot of people getting a dog and after getting a dog they regret the decision and they abandon the dog or कहीं भी दे देते हैं. So I don't want that to happen to you or anyone आपके known में. So I'm just telling you 11 basic things that you should know before getting a dog. First thing is change in sleeping pattern, not dog ka sleeping pattern but your. So whenever you get a dog, so dog को आप उसकी mom के पास से ही लाएंगे, और even if you get a stray dog, so उनकी एक सराउंडिंग होती है, एंड वेन एवर दे चेंज देयर होम दे डोंट यूजुअली स्लीप दैट ईजली, एंड दे से कि जब पपी बहुत छोटू होता है तो उसको अपनी मम्मी की याद आती है, तो दे आर नॉट एबल टू स्लीप. एंड दैट्स ट्रू, बिकॉज व्हेन आई गॉट पटोला 4 years बैक, आई रिमेंबर मेरी 4 nights were I was totally up 4 nights because of Patola. Patola was constantly crying. Patola is my dog. Patola was constantly crying पूरी रात, maybe because she was like missing her mom, but slowly she stopped crying and वो हमारे घर में normal हो गई. So you have to give your dog थोड़ा time, and this is the main point, because if you bring a dog home and वो रात को रो रहा है, so you don't have to let them cry कि जा तू रो ले. You need to take care of them, cuddle with them, give them some attention, make sure if they're hungry, feed them. So you need to take care of that. Maybe your dog will take a week or so to get adapted in your surrounding in your home. So you need to take care of that, because धीरे धीरे it will be normal. Second thing is time and attention is important for a puppy. Attention is very important because so the dog needs full attention. Attention seeker होते हैं, इनको जितनी attention दो उतनी कम है. There she's coming towards me. She'll sleep. Okay, she's gonna sleep. So you need to play at least an hour with them. जितना खेलो उतना it's good for them. Or if you have a park near you, go with them. वहाँ पे मतलब उनका लीश खोल दो and play with them as much as you can. Trust me, they'll be so happy, so happy. You'll see that craziness उनके behavior में, that they are running here and there. Forget to play. And I guess the new buyers who are thinking to buy, make sure you have to give 1 hour of your day to your dog, especially for playing, not anything. And the things other things are apart, but playing is also a thing that you need to take care of. Attention and time, I'm mentioning both because I have done the attention part. The time is because if you're a person who got a 9 to 5 job, so I would say कि उसका पीछे से ख्याल कौन रखेगा. You need to someone has to stay with the dog or puppy. It's not like कि बच्चा है तो it's fine. जितना भी बड़ा हो जाए dog, someone needs to stay with the dog because they need constant attention, they need constant care, feeding, or they need to go out they need to get fresh 3 or 2 times a day. So उसके लिए someone needs to be there for them. Or if you're working from home, or if you're a student or something, it's perfect कि you are taking care of your dog by your own. But if you cannot, then you can hire a helper or someone, but there should be someone to take care of him or her. It's really important. And if you're a person who is like कि अपने ही दुनिया में मस्त मगन, so I'll say do not get a dog, because if you're getting a dog for yourself कि मैं टाइम पास हो जाएगा, do not get a dog for time pass. वो आपका फैमिली मेम्बर है, you need to take care of him or her like your baby. So do not get a dog if you are busy in your life. Third thing is puppy training. Puppy training is really important because whenever you bring a dog, so for 3 months you cannot take the dog out for walk until and unless the vaccinations are done, especially rabies. So whenever the rabies injection, rabies is the last injection. So जब भी वो डन हो जाता है इनका साइकिल पूरा, then you can take them out. Before that you cannot take them out, and till then they'll get freshen up घर के अंदर ही. So for that you need to do कि आप लोग घर में newspapers बिछा सकते हैं, and you can direct the dog ki go and you can poop on that or something, but you need to be really careful, otherwise the dog will be peeing all over your house. You need to train him or her. This will be a basic thing to do, so get prepared पहले ही. You need to do पहले ये training कि घर में not, you don't have to pee on the rugs or carpets or anything. Newspaper training karao, and then when the 3 months period is over, then you need to teach them that do not pee on the newspaper, you need to pee outside. You have to set their particular timing according to that, and get prepared to clean all the mess. And if you're ready to clean the mess, then only bring a dog at your home, because it will get very messy. Fourth is the chewing or teething phase. This is the worst. I have faced this, and I have lost a lot of beautiful things because of her in her chewing or teething phase. Actually उस phase में everyone says कि जब इनके छोटे छोटे दांत आ रहे होते हैं तो it's very itchy, तो they chew upon every single thing they see. So it can be your shirt, it can be your pajamas, your slippers, your brush, anything possible they can chew. Your cushions also, I have faced this thing. So you should get them toys. इनके chewing toys आते हैं and teething की sticks आती हैं, then they can chew. उसमें taste भी होता है chewing sticks में. You should get them particular chewing और teething के लिए होता है. If you go to their vet, they'll recommend you some toys. They can chew upon them instead of chewing आपकी चीज़ों के ऊपर. You can get them something. I guess get chewing sticks or toys for them if you want to save your slippers, cushions, clothes, or every possible thing that they can chew. So everyone thinks कि puppy ले आते हैं and it will be simple. No, puppies are expensive. They are super expensive. Okay, so not there. I prefer to adopt a dog. It's very good if you adopt a dog. I was not well aware about the fact, so I purchased Patola. So puppies are expensive because you need to get their bed, their vaccinations are expensive, their toys, and there are plenty things, their food, especially when the dog is below 3 months, you need to feed them Cerelac. So you need to bring Cerelac के डब्बे ढेर सारे. The vaccinations are pretty expensive, and you need to get them vaccinated throughout their lifespan. You need to get them vaccinated for their safety. You need to get deworming every month कि इनके पेट में कीड़े ना हो जाए. You need to get them safe, otherwise वो मतलब they can get sick really quick. So you need to get them you need to get the deworming done every single month. And you can also do a thing that if your dog is if one of your friend is having a dog, तो उसकी पुरानी चीज़ें बच जाती हैं. यूजुअली डॉग्स की चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी लोगों को होता है, ओनर्स को, कि ओ माय गॉड न्यू चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए. सो दे कीप द ओल्ड स्टफ. सो यू कैन आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स जिनके पास ऑलरेडी डॉग्स हैं कि डू यू हैव एक्स्ट्रा बाउल, डू यू हैव एक्स्ट्रा क्लोथ्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन कोल्ड वेदर. So you can ask your old friends for that. It will be good. 6, they'll bring joy in your life. This is a very common point, I guess. ये तो मुझे point शायद ना रखती, then also everyone knows. Dogs bring joy in your life. They bring happiness. They bring a different kind of positivity. They bring different kind of positivity in your life. They bring that positive energy within you and within your surroundings. So I'll definitely say, if you want to feel much positive and much happier, you should definitely go for a dog, but you need to keep other things in mind as well that I am mentioning. 7th, do not get a puppy before 30 days. Okay, so I got Patola when she was 35 days. I'll definitely tell you कि डॉगी को मत लाओ 30 days होने से पहले, because just like human needs 6 months अपना मदर का मिल्क. So for dogs it's like for a month. So the dog needs mother's milk for a month minimum. I went to a doctor, I went to the vet shop, and उधर I saw कि someone bought a 15 days old puppy. उसकी eyes भी नहीं खुली थी और he was pretty weak, he was not even able to walk. So the doctors were pretty sure कि he won't survive because एक time तक they need their mother support. So I'll suggest you do not bring a dog 30 days से नीचे. Even if the person is saying कि इसको ले जाओ अभी, इसको मम्मी से अलग कर दो, he'll be more in love with you. Do not get in ये बातों में, do not get indulged in सब चीज़ों में. Do not get a dog before 30 days. And as soon as you get a dog, take him to a vet, the nearest vet according to your place, because as soon as you take him to the vet, the doctor will check if the dog is healthy or not. If he is not healthy, then he can tell you what you should take care of and what are the precautions you can take कि उसकी तबीयत और ख़राब ना हो. 8th, research your dog's breed. Know about your dog's breed. I bought Patola. So Patola is a Labrador, black Labrador. So the breed is really important. To study about the breed is really important because आपको अपने house का जितना भी the space matters. Because if for example I bought a Chow Chow, Chow Chow is a huge breed. If I bought a Chow Chow, I know the Chow Chow will not be happy मेरे घर में because of the space issues. So I bought Patola. Patola can roam around freely in my house and she got her personal bed, personal toy space and everything. She can lie down on this bed as well. She got her personal space. Dog needs a particular space to run, to roam around freely or lie down anywhere. They need a particular space. So please study before bringing a dog, so it can be easy for the dog to stay and for you to see them happy. 9th, your dogs come first. This should be in your mind totally. Your dogs comes first because, for example, someone is at your home, some guests are here, so never ever tie your dog, because I guess this is not something to do, this is a basic thing to know. Because अगर आपके घर में guest आ रहे हैं and if they are not comfortable with the dog, you can make them कि हाँ they can bond together, they can get to know each other, but you cannot do that to your dog because उतना ही घर है आपके dog का जितना ही आपका है. So you need to treat your dog as a family member. So I guess you cannot tie your dog. And my mom always taught me this thing that Patola is our first dog, but my mom always taught me and said this thing to me that if your friends are afraid of Patola, ask them first if they are ready to bond with her, because I cannot tie her. You are my daughter and she is my daughter as well. She gets ज़्यादा प्यार. I cannot even see that कि I am enjoying with my friends and other corner में पटोला बंधी हुई है crying, and even in a room I don't close पटोला को किसी room में भी बंद नहीं करती. That because that is not right. If you are interacting with a new person, she also has the right to do so. So treat her like your family person and tell your friends or guests or family members to bond with your dog instead of ignoring them or उनको इधर उधर बांधने के लिए. 10th thing is grooming. Grooming is really important for your dog as it is for you. You need to you need to take shower every day. Your dog should take, not they cannot take. You should give your dog shower in summers every week, once in a week. I give Patola like every Sunday. You can fix a day and उस दिन आप दो. And in winters, every 15 days they need to take shower. So you should fix this. And if you cannot give them shower at home, so you can definitely take them to salons. Nails cut होने चाहिए. You need to brush them daily. If your dog is really stubborn and is not ready to take shower, you need to handle your doggy. You need to handle them, and if you cannot, then take them to the vet. Then they'll take care of them. Okay, so the 11th and the last thing to know is that dogs are a long-term commitment, because a dog's lifespan is minimum 10 to 15 years. 10 to 15 years is a huge thing, like huge thing. So you need to get that in your mind before getting a dog, that he or she will be there for you for 10 to 15 days, 10 to 15 years actually. 10 to 15 years is a huge thing, so think twice, thrice, or how many, मतलब जितने मर्जी बार सोचना है सोचो, because it's a huge thing. And if you bring a dog, treat them as a family member, count them अपने family के उसमें. I always say कि my family consists of 4 members, me, my mom, my dad and Patola. I never say we are 3, I always say we are 4, because Patola, I really say कि Patola is my sister. I never say कि Patola doggy है, मेरी pet है. मतलब some people think it's impractical कि doggy को बहन बोल रही है, but I know what I feel for her, so learn from you as well. खाना खाते हुए बीच में खाना मत देना उनको. Every time they'll come drooling over your food कि so avoid that thing. And in this long term thing, the last I would say कि think, if you're thinking of the happy time, think of the hard time too. They'll go one day. You need to be practical. So just keep this in mind if you're ready to lose a person. So they'll give you a lot of memories, a lot of happy things in your life. They'll be there for you. Maybe if no one is there, you can cuddle up with them or anything. So you need to think of the hard time as well. It's hard, I know, so you may cry as well even by thinking of it, but you need to be practical in life about that. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and this was all about chit chat, talking session with me. This was something out of my box because I did a haul pehle बैठ के एक बार my first video, and now I am doing this after a long way. I just wanted to do this video because I don't want any dog to get abandoned. I don't want any dog to be left over किसी road के side पे or something. I want you to be well educated about this whole dog thing before getting one. So I guess if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and share with your friends who are expecting a new member in their family, or if you are also expecting a family member, means a dog. So don't forget to drop a like and tell me in the comment section what you want to see मेरे next video में. If you like me doing this chit chat sessions and talking about new things, then let me know. I'll be doing them more. Yes, this is for the video. I hope you like it, and
I guess I'm just a play date to you.